Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Sandals Regency La Toc. Now this particular category has stunning views. It's set up on the Sunset Bluff. It's a Sunset Bluff Penthouse Oceanview 1-bedroom Butler Suite. You have an amazing Tranquility Soaking Tub out on the patio. Let me show you what it's all about. As soon as you enter the room, you are in your living room area. You've got a fantastic sectional couch here, you've got a coffee table, and right on top of it, you're gonna find that in-room dining menu. There are so many fantastic features that you get by upgrading to a Butler level suite. It's actually gonna start even before you arrive here on the resort. We're gonna do a special preference sheet with you and the butler so they know exactly what you're looking for, what you love, what you're celebrating, so they can make it even more special. Now, when you get to the resort, you're gonna bypass the main check-in, you're gonna head all the way up here to the top of the bluff, and they're gonna check you in right in the room. One of the things I love about the setting here is you got the sunset pool just behind, you've got that butler lounge, so you kind of have a mini resort within a resort up top, but of course you have access to everything on the resort. As far as amenities go, the first one I'd like to point out is that being Butler level, you get the full-size upgraded liquor bottles here. Underneath, you're gonna have the mini fridge fully stocked with beer, wine, soda, juices, and bottled water, and of course, your favorite mixers. You've got the first of the flat panel TVs. You've got your coffee and tea maker you can make your own. Or of course, I mentioned earlier, you can have that delivered as part of your in-room dining. This category, you're gonna get 24-hour complimentary room service. You can take advantage of it right here in the room or out on the patio. Now this is a 1-bedroom suite, and we're gonna head into the master bedroom. Now the first thing that you'll see is the large king-size bed. It's one of those signatures of Sandals resorts. And on one side of the bed, you're gonna have a US plug and a UK plug, in addition to a Bluetooth speaker, and on the other side you're also going to have a US and a UK plug. They renovated all of these rooms and you can really tell. Directly across you're going to have another large flat panel TV. It is interactive so you can see what's going on throughout the resort, stream from your own device, and then of course you can also watch television. You've got storage underneath, and another great touch, you have a fan up above. Now as we head into the bathroom area, I'll show you the closet here. In there, you're gonna have extra pillows, blankets, you've got a hairdryer, laptop size safe, golf umbrella, iron and ironing board, and another one of those great Butler level amenities, you've got the robe and slippers. As we head into the bathroom area, you're gonna see the first of the soaking tubs. One of those things that your butler can do for you in addition to packing and unpacking, they can also draw a bubble bath for you. Have a nice glass of cold champagne if you'd like. Directly across, you're gonna have your vanity here. It's a really large one. You've got a really large backlit mirror, magnifying mirror over in the corner. You've got those full-size amenities from the Red Lane Spa and some upgraded ones, including one of those bath truffles. Underneath, you have extra towels. You also have your scale right there. And now let's head through the door. You've got the toilet right around the corner here, but when they renovated, they added this big walk-in shower. I really like it. You've got the rainforest shower head up above, another shower head here. I'm a pretty big guy, and there's plenty of room to move around. Now we're out on your private patio, and you see, once again, another large soaking tub. This is a double, and that perfect place to take advantage of these insane views. If you watch our full resort tour, and I highly recommend that you do, you're gonna see that there are views from everywhere on this incredible resort. Now you also have a table and 2 chairs. You're gonna be able to take advantage of that in-room dining 24 hours a day, maybe have a cup of coffee or tea in the morning, or a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening. Now if you want a little bit more privacy, these curtains do pull shut, and keep in mind you're gonna have access to your butler throughout your stay. So they can set up out here for you for a dining experience, or they can even set up down at the beach or at one of the pools. They can put the towels out for you early in the morning and get a cooler fully stocked, so you head down and enjoy whenever you're ready. However you choose to take advantage of the services that the butler offers, you're gonna absolutely love it. And when you're ready to book this category or any here at this beautiful resort, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your luxury all-inclusive experts. We know the spaces inside and out, and we have an amazing relationship with Sandals and Beaches Resorts, and we know that we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, group, wedding party, or honeymoon at an incredible value.